Are you seeing a Telegram connection error on your PC with messages like connecting, updating, or unable to connect? In this video, I'll show you two practical fixes that can help restore Telegram desktop when it refuses to connect. We'll check Telegram's proxy and connection settings, then reset the Windows network stack using two simple commands. These steps are beginner-friendly, free, and usually take only a few minutes. If this guide helps you, please like the video, subscribe to the channel, and let's get started. First, open Telegram desktop on your computer. If Telegram is stuck connecting, you can still access the settings menu in most cases. Look at the top left corner of the Telegram window and click the three-line menu icon. From the menu, select Settings. Inside Settings, look for the Advanced section and click it. The advanced settings include additional options for data usage, automatic downloads, connection settings, and other Telegram features. Scroll through the page until you find the section related to connection type or proxy settings. Click Connection Type. Depending on your Telegram version, you may see an option called Default TCP with UDP or a similar default connection mode. Select Default or choose TCP with UDP if that option is displayed. This allows Telegram to use its normal connection method instead of relying on a custom configuration that may be blocking access. Next, check whether a proxy is enabled. If you see an active proxy or SOCKS 5 setting, turn it off temporarily. A proxy can sometimes cause Telegram to remain stuck on connecting, especially if the proxy server is unavailable, overloaded, or incorrectly configured. After disabling the proxy, close the settings window and check whether Telegram reconnects. You should also check whether a third-party VPN is running on your computer. VPN applications can occasionally interfere with Telegram's connection, DNS requests, or firewall permissions. Temporarily disconnect or exit any VPN software, then restart Telegram desktop and test the connection again. If Telegram works after disabling the VPN server or configuration may be causing the problem. Before moving to the next fix, wait a few seconds and check whether your messages load, whether your contacts appear online, or whether new messages begin syncing. If the connection error is still present, the issue may be related to Windows network settings rather than Telegram itself. The second method is to reset the Windows network stack. This clears certain network configurations and refreshes the DNS resolver, which can fix connection problems caused by corrupted Winsock settings or outdated DNS information. Start by clicking the Windows Start menu. Type CMD or command prompt in the search box. When command prompt appears in the results, right-click it and choose Run as administrator. Windows may display a user account control prompt asking whether you want to allow the app to make changes. Click Yes. A black command prompt window will open. First, type the following command, Netsh Winsock reset. Make sure you enter the command exactly as shown, with a space between Netsh, Winsock, and reset. Press Enter after typing it. Windows should confirm that the Winsock catalog was successfully reset and that you need to restart the computer to complete the reset. Next, type ipconfig flush DNs and press Enter. Make sure there is a space between ipconfig and the /. This command clears the stored DNS cache on your PC. If the command works correctly, Windows should display a message confirming that the DNS resolver cache was successfully flushed. After running both commands, close the command prompt window and restart your computer. Restarting is important because the Winsock reset may not take effect until Windows has been rebooted. Save any open work, restart the PC, and wait for Windows to load completely. Once your computer is restarted, open Telegram desktop again. Give the application a few moments to connect. Check whether your chats load, whether messages synchronize, and whether the connection error has disappeared. If Telegram connects normally now, the issue was likely caused by a temporary network configuration problem, DNS cache issue, proxy, VPN, or corrupted Winsock setting. If Telegram still cannot connect, check that your internet works in a web browser and confirm that your computer's date and time are correct. You can also temporarily test another network, such as a mobile hotspot, to determine whether your current Wi-Fi or internet provider is blocking or interrupting the connection. If Telegram works on another network, the problem may be related to your router, firewall, VPN, proxy, or the network provider. To recap, first open Telegram desktop, go to Settings, open Advanced, and check connection type. Set it to default or TCP with UDP, disable any active proxy or SOCKS 5 configuration, and temporarily turn off third-party VPN software. If that does not work, run command prompt as administrator, use netsh winsock reset, run ipconfig flush DNS, and restart your PC. These steps should resolve many common Telegram connection errors on Windows without reinstalling the application or deleting your chats. If this tutorial helped you reconnect Telegram, please leave a like, subscribe for more troubleshooting guides, and share this video with anyone experiencing the same problem. Thanks for watching.